Welcome to RP Hub. Today we are starting with new playlist where I'm going to cover Power BI. If you wanted to learn more about Microsoft Power BI, feel free to refer the complete playlist. Within this playlist, we'll not only talk about the detail about Power BI, what it does, how and where we can utilize this tool in our real life, as well as some industry practices or industry examples. By covering this, at the end, I will conclude how you can make or add additional skill set in your resume. If you wanted to learn with depth knowledge on Power BI, feel free to refer this complete playlist. This will guide you from scratch to the advanced level. I will also make sure to come up with several examples which are regularly demanding in today's era or today's industry. Every company wanted to have the visualization experts who can create nice presentations using Power BI or nice visuals based on the data using Power BI. So stay tuned for the complete playlist, and if you have any suggestions or feedback about this, feel free to add in the comment sections. If you wanted to learn few other advanced topic, feel free to that topic name related with the Power BI. I will be happy to create it. And trust me, this is absolutely free of cost. We're not going to charge a single penny for this complete playlist. To start with this, let's first understand what is Power BI and what is the agenda of this video, what we will cover in this video. In this video, I will talk about detail about the Power BI, why Power BI is required, key features, industry usage, as well as their additional benefits. And next part of the video, I will show you how we can install it and post the installations. In further part of the video, I will cover the depth knowledge of Power BI. So Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool developed by Microsoft, where with the help of data, you can generate visualizations. It will design to help organizations transform raw data into the meaningful insights. So let's consider one example here. If you wanted to generate graph charts, pie charts, or any other visual representations, you can always use Power BI to generate these charts. With the help of Power BI, users can connect to wide variety of data sources, OData, Excels, and perform data transformations and create visually appealing and interactive reports and dashboards. So as I mentioned, whichever formats of reports you wanted to make it, with the help of Power BI, you can always create it. This is a very quick and interactive dashboards generated for your business presentations. If you wanted to show the summary of your complete quarter like Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, you can also generate with the help of Power BI, where you don't have to write much coding there. With the help of some navigations, you will be able to achieve it. I will show you very basic level to advanced level example in further part of the video, but let's understand why and where we are using it. Now, as I mentioned, if you want to create quarterly performance report of your company, you can generate it. This is the bar chart, horizontal bar chart, but if you want, you can even create more attractive charts or detailed dashboards of your complete organizations, which will include several factors or several informations. This is just one example. You can also create tabular data with the help of Power BI, where you can mention time period like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, B2B sales, supply chain, ROI, and e-commerce. So these are some set of data I came up with, but don't worry. By using Power BI, I will explain you how we can generate in detail. Now, why Power BI is required, why it is so much important we can use this throughout our industry practices. In today's world, data is new oil. Organizations need tools that can help them to understand the large amount of data that they are collecting. Microsoft Power BI was introduced to fulfill their needs. It is a powerful data visualizations and analysis tool that allows businesses to turn raw data into actionable insights and reports. Power BI helps users who are beginner who don't come from an analytical or tech background. Still, they can create a report on the Power BI desktop. Power BI or Microsoft Power BI comes with the free or paid versions. The free versions only provides Power BI tools like Power BI desktop and Power BI Q&A to dashboards, where in the pro versions, they provide services like live report, sharing, Power View, and more Power BI apps. Now, let's understand the key features of Power BI. First is data connectivity. So, Power BI offers robust data connectivity capabilities, allowing users to connect to multiple data sources such as SQL, Excel, cloud services like Azure, and many others. You can also connect with OData services. Next is data transformations. With Power BI Query, users can clean and transform and merge data from different sources to create unified data sets. When it comes to the interactive visualizations, it also provides wide range of visualizations options, including charts, graphs, maps, gauge, which can be customized and made interactive for deeper data exploration. Dashboards and reports. Users can create comprehensive reports and dashboards that provide real-time insights and key performance indicators, that is KPI, for informed decision making. Natural language query. Nowadays, everyone is talking about Gen AI or AI based capabilities. So within the Q&A features, users can ask questions about their data in natural language and receive instant answer in the form of visualization. But Power BI is also well equipped with Copilot or Gen AI based solutions where you can build interactive dashboards with the help of Gen AI based solutions. If you don't know Copilot, feel free to refer my Copilot playlist where it will help you to understand how we can leverage Copilot for our day-to-day life. Next is collaborations and sharing. This will also makes it easy to share reports and dashboards with colleagues, stakeholders, enabling collaborative data analysis and decision making. And finally, integration with other Microsoft product. Trust me, integration with Power BI to other tool is very easier. Either you can use some secured authentications protocol or with the help of API call, you can always integrate this product or Microsoft product like Azure, Office 365, SharePoint, and providing a comprehensive ecosystem for data analysis and business intelligence. This will empower businesses to make data-driven decisions by providing tools to visualize and analyze data in a user-friendly and efficient manner. Whether you are a business analyst, data scientist, or decision maker, Power BI can help you unlock the full potentials of your data. If we can came across with the business thought like business opportunities are like buses, there's always another one is coming. You have to always be on peak of using this type of tools to make your life easier, which is said by Richard Branson. So if you wanted to make sure you are sitting on top of every organizations, you should always learn this type of interactive tool so that it will help businesses to grow or expand. So throughout this complete playlist, I will explain you how you can utilize Power BI for your regular life. So that's all for today's video. So action for you. In the next video, we are going to install make sure whatever questions you have in terms of introductions, you can add in the comment sections. If you have any other use cases in your mind which you want me to cover, feel free to add in the comment sections. I will definitely come up with new set of use cases which will help you to understand detail about Power BI, which will also makes you perfect to learn and grow your skill set. That's all for today's video. Hope you like the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.